Let's make these beautiful Berry Chantilly Mini Cups. Sweet, creamy and bursting with fresh berries. First, chop fresh strawberries and raspberries while keeping the blueberries whole. Cook the berries with sugar and a little lemon juice until they become soft and juicy. Let the berry mixture cool until it's thick, glossy and packed with fruit. Now whisk cold cream with powdered sugar and vanilla until light and fluffy. Once it forms firm peaks, transfer the smooth chantilly cream into a piping bag. Cut soft vanilla sponge into small cubes for our first delicious layer. Add the golden sponge cubes to the bottom of each mini glass. Top the sponge with generous layer of glossy berry filling. Pipe the fluffy chantilly cream over the berries until beautifully covered. Repeat the layers, then finish with fresh berries and a light dusting of powdered sugar. And they are ready, creamy, fruity, and absolutely irresistible in every bite.